Hi everybody! Today I'd like to tell you about a quick and simple way to introduce an animation into iOS, Android and web. I'll show you how to export animation from After Effects to Lottie, functional overview and some interesting design stuff. First of all, let's figure it out what Lottie is exactly. This is a library that helps us to convert an animation from After Effects into JSON code for developers. You can have a look on a section with cool animation works on the Lottie website. Also, you can download free works or buy ones to use them further in your own projects. To convert your animation from After Effects to Lottie, you have to input it to the Lottie website. It won't become a public work, it would be available for you only. To begin with, you have to create an account and login. Then download and install the Lottie plugin. Start it in the window, extension LottieFiles. After you log in the plugin window, choose your composition and press the arrow button. Your animation gets rendered and you can see a preview window. If it looks not like in After Effects, then you must have used unsupported features. There is a section on the Lottie site dedicated to unsupported and supported features to help you. So you'd better check correct view. If everything suits you, press upload and open the link by clicking on globe button. Voila! After you got your animation uploaded on the Lottie website, you can see a preview page where there are some interesting features, for instance speed control. Moreover, if you need to test your animation for different conditions, such as dark mode, you can change the background here. The handle section can be useful to display the bounding box or make the background transparent. It also has general information and other details. Also, you can fastly convert your animation to GIF by pressing this button. By clicking this icon, you can copy the private link and send it to developers. The handoff panel also has an inbuilt editor. By choosing Edit Animation, you get to the editing interface. Here you can check on your layers, change the size and other parameters. But the greatest thing about it, in my opinion, is color changing. You can change the whole color of your animation immediately. It's much easier than in After Effects. There is a button to convert animation to Telegram stickers format as well, but this is a story for another time. On the page with already uploaded animation, there is a button Interactivity. This is a quick demo for using the Lottie web player to add interactivity to your applications. Have a look! Lottie has an application for iOS and Android. Alongside the obvious functionality that copy the website, there is a cool opportunity to preview the animation on your device. You don't even have to log in to do it. You just find an animation QR code on the website, then open the Scan tab and point the camera on it. You can see the animation on your device just as it would look like after implementation. This is a good way for testing on devices far before giving the code to developers. Lottie has a Figma plugin as well. You log in and get a list of animations uploaded. Here you can convert an animation to GIF and set it on your frame. It's really easy to add these animations to your design and play on prototypes. So far, to my regret, there is no way to add it to Figma as code without GIF converting. Hope it was helpful. I truly advise to use the Lottie animations in your projects because it's easy, fast and awesome. Thank you!